Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about Tome app. So this video is going to be for beginners. I'm just going to showcase the Tome app for you, what you can create with it, things that you can do with it, and just talk about the basics of this platform and generally what you can I will just show you around how to create things with Tome app and how to get started from the get-go. So first of all, what is Tome App? Tome App is a platform that uses AI for creating things like overviews, presentations mainly, and it's as simple as just typing in some prompts, and then it does all the work for you, and you can just sit back, relax, and wait for it to generate the presentation for you, and then you can just edit things out to your liking. If you don't like a specific thing within the presentation, you can just edit things out, and it's going to have a lot of tools to use. So even if you want to just create your own presentation from scratch and just have AI just make it like more flourished, more polished, let's say, this can also be the tool for you. So we've got plenty of things that we can do. And if we just go to tome.app here, we will see some of the things within the homepage that we just can create. And we can see some, like, as you can see here from this one, the person just types in whatever they want, and you will be getting uh, everything really done for you. So let's actually we can see the use cases as well for like freelancers, marketing, sales, all that stuff. But let's actually get started. Let's not talk too much here. So to get started, you just go to tome.app, and then we can just click on try Tome. And then from here, you would just need to put in your information where you can just have your email, name, that kind of stuff, whether you're a business or freelancer, for personal use, maybe you can just do all of those things. But then you will be greeted with this homepage here, or the dashboard for Tome. So within the dashboard, we will see that we have credits here. Uh, Tome does use credits, so it's not entirely for free, and we can see that the free users get 500 credits, and everything that you use with AI is going to cost you some credits. So you will be limited with the things that you do, and we can see even the plan, as you can see here, get unlimited credits. So we see the free plan that they offer is going to be 5 tomes per person. You can create up to 5 tomes, and that's it. And you do get 500 AI credits for yourself. So that's what you are getting for free. And then we've got the Pro here, the plan, which is going to give you pretty much unlimited for all workspace members. And by the way, it's $16 per person per month, billed annually as well. So just keep that in mind. It's not just 16 per month, it's per person per month. And then we got unlimited for individuals, for workspace, and all that kind of stuff. So you get to choose whether you want to pay monthly or yearly. It's up to you, and you can just have people work with you in Tome. But after we are done with the pricing and stuff, we simply just have this dashboard here. We can see things that are self-explanatory, really. We can click on templates to see what templates there are. We can pick one and just edit it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and create one, a fresh new one. So we can just click on create on the top right. And then from here, we can see the options or the prompts that we can use. From here, we've got to the attachments, like for example, for uh, GIFs or Figma files or Twitter, that kind of stuff. We've got all the attachments here. We can also set theme from here, and we can do all of those things within this prompt section too. Pull up the prompt section. If you don't see it, you can just click Control K, and it will give you this prompt section. So what would you like to do? It says we can simply just type in, for example, we want to create a presentation. We just type in create a professional presentation about reptiles, because I like reptiles. Let's talk about reptiles. So you just type in the prompt and you just hit enter, and it will like remind us of the credits that we have, and will tell us obviously to upgrade to get and like an unlimited basically. So here we can see the pages that it's going to create for us. So we've got all about reptiles, the introduction to reptiles, types of reptiles, all that kind of stuff. If we don't want that many pages, we can just delete them using this, and we can also change the layout. If we want this to be like up top, we can just hold and drag like that. But we can just click on generate all pages, or we can do choose layouts. If we choose layouts, it's going to ask us for every page how we want it to be like. So we can just choose this one if we want, and then we click on next page, and it's going to ask us again what kind of layout that we want, and we can also re-roll if we don't want these layouts that we have. But we can just choose one, and then we just click on either next page or generate for all pages. I'm just going to do that. So that's pretty much like I'm serious. That's all you have to do. Just type in some prompts, and it's happy days. You got the presentation done for you. As you can see here, after we click on generate all, we can see all about it. So here is the page, the home page, and then we can see the other pages. I'm going to get back to this one because apparently this one is missing a lot of stuff here. And then we've got the other pages. Well, we've got the AI images as well, and all of those things. But here we will say so for some reason this page is empty, right? Let's say we want to talk about the types of reptiles because this page is missing. Let's just type in write about the type of reptiles in this page, and then it will ask us the layout that we want. Let's just pick a random one. Let's just go for this. Doesn't really matter. We can just click on keep, and this one is not fixed, so we can just delete it, and we have this new one right here. So what can we do within the page and things like that? So some things on the right side, we've got the type of text that we have, like it's a body, heading, that kind of stuff. We can just click on it and it's going to add one for us. We don't want that, so we just go ahead and delete it. Here we can add media. Here we can add a drawing if we want. We can also add tables, chart, more titles, and then lastly we can set the theme. So we can choose some of these themes that we have. I guess moss here is going to be more fitting for reptiles, but you can choose for a specific page or for the entirety of it. And we can just choose the color ourselves if we don't want this color. So let's just stick here, and then we obviously can choose other colors as well, like these ones right here, like the text and stuff. But let's just keep it as it is, and then we can just click on save theme if we want. But once we are happy with that, some of the things that I would like to highlight, maybe we don't want this like for example text right here. So certain reptiles such as lizards and stuff, we don't like the way it looks or sounds or whatever it may be. we've got some things that we can do. After we set the color and the type of text that it is, we can make it bold and stuff. The things over here are self-explanatory. I'm not going to go over them, but the main key feature here, if is if we select a specific text, we can go to AI edit, and we got a few options. Rewrite, which is going to use AI to rewrite it so in a different way. We can also adjust tone to be more neutral, friendly, excited, persuasive, or intellectual. And we've got also fixed spelling and grammar. So these options are within our disposal. We can just use whichever one. We can just click on rewrite and we will see what happens. It's going to rewrite it for us, and we can either try again, keep, or if we don't like it and we just want to adjust it ourselves, we can obviously simply just type in the text ourselves. Now it does use AI credit. Again, anything that uses AI credit is just going to obviously use credits. So we can delete pictures, we can make them bigger if we want. We can just delete them by clicking on the delete button after we select it. We can change the size and the way it's like presented, really. We can just do it over here, and we can also choose if we want a background color or not. If we want to text, we can just click on the image and click on the text prompt, but we don't, so we just delete the text. Again, if we want to delete the picture, we can just click on the picture and click on delete. And like if we want other things, again, Control K and add a text file. Here we can just type in whatever we want, and we can just really edit or delete the things that we want. It's all up to us, really. So as you can see, Tome is a massive playfield where you can just create or delete or adjust, refine. You can say whatever you really want. As you can see here, they create a chart by clicking on this if you want to do it yourself. And it's very simple to learn and just get the hang of. It's not complicated by any means. Again, Control K is going to help you with most things. Again, you can just create page about or add text file, add table from here. Maybe like we type in add text about I don't know, let's just type in add text about natural habitat of reptiles, and we obviously get reminded of our credits, and it's just going to create apparently a whole page for us, and we can just copy this and paste it wherever we want, or we can just AI adjust it and things like that. We can obviously delete or duplicate pages, and all the simple presentation stuff is available in Tome and more with the AI help and this command prompt that we have here. And it's really as simple as that. So I hope this video really helped you with the basics of Tome and showed you how to use it to create your overviews, presentations, whatever it may be, really. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.